Sir.
What is your name?
This new Samuel, sir.
What is your address?
Number 16, Adiola VI, sir.
At where?
At VI.
Where?
Lagos.
What is your phone number?
08089043933, sir.
Okay. Which tribe are you?
I'm from Yoruba, sir.
Which tribe?
Yoruba.
Which state are you from?
Ogun State, sir.
Which prison I release you from today?
Correctional Center, Badagry, Lagos, sir.
Okay. Tell the whole world how you was released today.
I was inside the prison and they called my name that I was released by Your Highness Gburugburu worldwide, sir.
Okay. Don't commit any crime that will take you back to prison.
Yes, sir.
Work hard.
Yes, sir.
You will make it in this life.
Amen, sir. Thank you very much.